So leadership comes from the inside out. It starts in here. So those individuals who've taken the time and the space and the energy and focused on who are they, what are they about, how do they show up and uniquely create value, and they've spent quite a bit of energy on how do they undermine themselves and actually create the opposite of what they want because they're following patterns which are not consistent with who they are. Those are great leaders. They've taken the time. So to me, every single one of us represents a change in the world that's deeply meaningful to us. And when we connect to what's meaningful to us, we're inspired and we have the energy. Because when we're inspired, we're curious to find out new things, new possibilities. We're creative to answer and come up with solutions and ideas. And of course, we come up with new. And as human beings, we love to create new. That's what gives us that sense of joy and fulfillment. And when that news around what's meaningful to us, that's being a great leader.